So, there are two more cabins here, wood duck and heron. These two cabins are next door to each other, as you can see, and they have they are exactly alike. So, when you come in, you have the full-size bed, and this one, you have a table and chair, air conditioned for the summer, and I do not see the small heater, but this has a door on it, which leads into the bedroom. Oh, there's your heater for the winter that has two sets of bunk beds. So this one, you have two sets of bunk beds with a door that closes and a full-size bed, table and chairs. This one is wood duck. The other one is heron. And these are at Smallwood State Park.